kids! Welcome to Lilam's channel. Here, we learn letters, numbers, colors, and many fun things together. Let's learn and have fun every day. Are you ready? Let's start! Letter A. Letter B. Can you say B? Ba. 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 Letter C. Can you say C? Ka. 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 How about letter D? Can you say D? Da. 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 How about letter E? Can you say E?
E, 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 E.
How about letter F? Can you say F? F, 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 F. How about letter G? Can you say G? Ga, 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 ga. How about letter H? Can you say H? Ha, 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 ha. H, 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 H. How about letter I? Can you say I? I, 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 I. How about letter J? Can you say J? Ja, 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 ja. How about letter K? Can you say K? K, K, K. Ka, 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 ka. Letter L. Can you say L? La, 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 la. Letter M. Can you say M? Ma, 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 mama. Letter N. Can you say N? No, 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 no. Letter O. Can you say O? O, 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 O. Letter P. Can you say P? Pa, 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 pa. And how about letter Q? Can you say Q? Q, 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 Q. And letter R. Can you say R? R, 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 ra, ra, ra. And letter S. Can you say S? Say sa, 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 sa. Letter T. Can you say T? Say T. Ta, 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 ta. Next is letter U. Can you say U? Say it. Say U. Say U, U, U. Letter V. Can you say V? Say V. V, V, V. Wow! Letter W. Say W, say it. W, 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 W. Whoa, whoa, wow. And letter X. Can you say X? Say it. X, X, X. So. And now let's say letter Y. Can you say Y? Y, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, 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 yo. The last letter is Z. Can you say Z? Say Z, 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 Zoo, Zoo, Zoo. Good job, kids! You did amazing today! Thank you for learning with Lilam's channel. Don't forget to like and come back for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.